Now that our pages look so much better, let's summarize the key points and look at next steps. Bootstrap is a styling framework that provides a set of CSS classes we use for responsive and consistent styles across our website. We use its classes to style menus, tables, forms, buttons, and so on. And we use its grid system to lay out the elements on a page. The documentation for Bootstrap is at getbootstrap.com. Congratulations! You now know the basics of Bootstrap. Yay! So what's next? You can expand on what you've learned here, digging deeper into Bootstrap. Try out interactive components that require JavaScript, but you may want to take the JavaScript course first. Speaking of JavaScript, consider learning JavaScript next. That leads us to the last course of this series. These are the other courses in the How to Become a Web Developer series. This Bootstrap course is positioned here. I'd recommend the JavaScript course next to learn the programming language of the web. Thank you for joining me, and all the best as you continue your journey toward becoming a web developer. Before you go, please like and subscribe.